this video, I'm going to explain you about applets, Java applets, how those are help in creating real life applications and how we can create them using Java. Now here in this example, I've created a calculator using Java applets. I've imported java.awt and java.action event and action listener. The action listener is used to listen if any action is present. That is, we are using buttons in this concept, and if any button is pressed, the action is done, and the action should be listened, and uh, something in response to the action should be performed in order to achieve the calculator performance. And now here class calculator demo instance frame, and we are using frames here. So calculator is extended into frame and it is implemented into action listener, because action listener is implemented because when any button is pressed, the action should be listened and specific response should be produced in order to achieve the task. So we are implementing action listener here, and we have created three labels: label L1, L2, and L3. That is for giving number 1, number 2, and result. Here we can see that number 1 is the number 1 and 2 are the numbers we want to uh, perform the operation with, and other label is to display the result. Next text field is T1, T2, T3 for these three: number 1, number 2, and number and result. We have text fields to give the input directly in the text field. And next thing is buttons. We have 6 buttons here: B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and B6 for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, resetting, that is resetting to 0, and for closing the calculator. Now we are adding everything: labels, text buttons, and buttons, everything we are adding to the applet. Now I am setting the size here as 200, 200, and title as calculator. I am setting the layout as flow layout type for giving the layout. And here b1 dot add action listener dot this. I am adding the all the buttons to action listener, because whenever a button is pressed, it should be uh, it should perform its operation. Then only it can be used in the calculator. So without using action listener, we can't do this. And here in this public class, action performed uh, double is equal to yeah, here we have used exceptions, because while in the process of calculating some numbers, we can get exceptions. That is, while dividing a number with 0, will get an exception. In those cases, some inbuilt exceptions are arrived, and we have an output for that also. And here, whenever we press the button B1, addition is done, and we are giving the code for the addition here: C is equal to A plus B, and B2, it is A minus B, B3 A into B, and division A divided by B, and B5 it is reset. Whenever we press reset, all the text button values will be 0, that is, they will be resetted to 0. So if, and the sixth one is exit, sixth button is exit. Now in the main function we are creating a object for the calculator demo. C is equal to new calculator, visibility as true and location as 3. And now yeah, this is the calculator. We again number LQ from 33, and it has 66. Now I'm going to add those numbers. It will be 99. Subtract minus 33. Multiply 2178, and division it is 0.5. I am resetting it. Everything will be 0 now. Yeah, and I am closing it now. The calculator is successfully working. Thank you for watching.